Yo, yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Super Chupa. Today I got a Champions Path Premium Collection box, the Marnie box. I'm gonna be opening up for you guys, and there's a couple reasons I also want to open this box on a YouTube video. Is because I don't know if you guys can tell, but these packs right here, a lot of people think that means they were resealed. I don't know if you can see that. And it's got that on the bottom and the top. So, and I don't believe those are resealed. I think there was just something that happened at the factory for the crimping, because it doesn't make sense why they would be like that on both top and bottom. Usually when people want to reseal them, they'll open the bottom parts and try to just only do that. You know, it doesn't make sense to make more work and try to reseal both the bottom and the top. So we're gonna go ahead and open this and see what we can pull. There you go. Box doesn't look like it was resealed. All right, here we go, guys. Open this up. Comes with the two promo cards right here. I already got like 4 of these from opening other boxes. Got the 2 little pins. Got the Grim Snarl. And we got the, what is it, more Pico Hangry mode. It also comes with a mat. It's actually the mat. I got 3 of these mats already. Like, I've opened other ones before. It's pretty much this one right here. It's a nice little mat. So let's get to these packs, guys. It's got 8 packs, I believe. Got some tape on them. Alright. Here we got the 8 packs. Here's a code card for you guys if anyone wants that. Alright. Yeah, ignore all the little stuff I got here. It's from my stream. But anyway, so this is what I'm talking about right here. I don't know if you can see. Give me a second. It's probably better if I do it like this. If you see that top, it's got the same thing on the bottom. A lot of people think it's glue or something, so I mean, I don't think it is. Like I said, it doesn't make sense why someone would reseal them like that. But we're gonna go ahead and open these and see what we pull. I think you can tell a little better on this one right here. It's got that little crimp thing on it. It's right there on the bottom again. Alright, let's see what we pull, guys. Be giving away all the code cards too. There you go. 3 to the front. I think it's 4. That fire energy. Ooh, fighting. Alright, so we got fighting energy. We got Scraggy, Hatterum, Milo. Might not be able to pronounce some of these names, guys, because these new Pokemon are still a little new to me. We got Nickit, Hatina, got Swablu, Roly-Coly Reverse, and Professor's Research. Alright, cool. Number 2. Hopefully you can pull that Fire Zard and Shiny Zard. Code card. Four to the front. Fairy energy. Nope. Suspicious food tin. Pokemon Center Lady. Victini. That's that victory Pokemon, boys. Hopefully that gets us something good. Full heal. Roly-Coly. Machop. Sizzlipede. Pokeball. Machamp Reverse, and Hatterene Hollow. Yeah, so all these packs have a Hollow included. I don't know if you guys knew. So, I don't want to say I'm getting hits or anything, but I mean, if someone were to have resealed these, I mean, they left the Hollows in, I guess. Doubt it, though. Let's see this pack. Hopefully we pull something. Like I said, I don't believe these are resealed. So... that. Let's get that water energy. Electric again. Got Hatterene, Milo, Great Ball, Purloin, Pokeball, Inkay, Galarian Zigzagoon, Trubbish, Machop Reverse, and there you go, guys. Dreadnought V. So, there you go. These packs have not been tampered with. I mean, unless they just didn't want to take a Dreadnought V and they just left it there, but I mean, sometimes they don't even leave the reverse rares on open packs. So, I think we're pretty good on these packs, guys. Proof's in the pudding, boys. These packs are good. There you go. Fire energy. Let's go. Ooh, we're getting a lot of fire in here, boys. Hopefully we get, that means there's a Zard in here. Start off with 3 fire cards. Full heal. Scraggy. Ekans. Kakuna. Reverse Road Phone, and Marnie. Down to 4 packs, guys. Halfway through. There you go. Water energy. Nope. Suspicious food. Malamar. Great Ball. Vulpix. Galarian Lanoon. Full heal. Purloin. Kakuna. Rockruff, and Machamp. Yeah, I don't know if... I mean, I haven't opened too many of these packs. I've opened a few. I don't know what the pull rates are on these, but... I mean, it seems pretty average, I think. Hopefully we can pull something else. A Zard would be amazing. Water energy. Milo. Shrubfield Stadium. Victini. Trubbish. Hatena. Inkay. Weedle. Galarian Lanoon. Hatina, and Obstagoon. Galarian Obstagoon. I don't know why it's called Galarian Obstagoon. I'm pretty sure Obstagoon is the first time he's been on here. It should just be Obstagoon. Alright, guys. Well, we pulled the Dreadnought, but I don't know, these packs are starting to look a little sus now. No, I mean, I feel like if they were tampered with, they would have taken. They wouldn't have even left the hollow set. You're guaranteed, I think. So I think these packs are good. Roly-Coly, Machop, Sizzlipede, Pokeball, Reverse Malamar, and Hopsagoon again. Alright guys, last pack magic. Here we go. Will we pull the Zard? There you guys go. Dark Energy, Kabu, Team Yell Grunt, Bidet, Weedle, Kakuna, Carvana, Potion, Vulpix, Bidet Reverse Rare, and the last card. There you go, guys. Eldegoss V. Got an Ultra. So, yeah, pretty sure these packs are good, guys. I mean, pull these two guys. I don't think if these were resealed, they would have left these guys in here. They would have taken anything. They would have even taken the hollows. So hopefully that clears some doubt from you guys. I've seen a lot of people posting, seen them on TikTok. I've seen them online. People saying they're resealed, don't buy them, but pretty sure they're good. I actually bought 3 boxes, and I'm pretty sure all the packs looked like that, and I pulled this on one of them. Give me a second. I pulled this. I mean, whether you want to believe me or not that I pulled it on one of the boxes that was like that is up to you guys. That's why I made this video, hoping I can pull some cards off of it. So, hopefully I cleared some doubt, guys. But yeah, that's about it, guys. So, thanks for watching, and catch you guys on the next one.